Cycads are an ancient group of cone-producing plants made up of three families: Cycadaceae, Stangeriaceae and Zamiaceae. There are approximately 300 recognized species of cycads. Encephalartos Villosus is a South African cycad occurring from the East London vicinity, where it is found near the coast, to the northern border of Eswatini, Swaziland, where it may grow as far as 100 kilometers inland. The species is common throughout its range and is the most frequently cultivated in southern Africa. Encephalartos Ferox, a member of the family Zamiaceae, is a small cycad with 35 cm wide subterranean trunk. It gets its name from the Latin word ferocious, likely from the spine-tipped lobes on the leaves of the plant. It is found naturally on the southeastern coast of Africa, where it has been used by local people for its starch content. It is considered to be one of the most popular cultivated cycads. Encephalartos Natalensis, the natal cycad or giant cycad, is a species of cycad that is endemic to the Kumbu and Tabankulu areas of the northern part of the Eastern Cape, and through most of KwaZulu-Natal. The number of mature individuals of this species is declining, and the International Union for Conservation of Nature has assessed its conservation status as being near threatened. Encephalartos Lebomboensis is a species of cycad in the family Zamiaceae, native to the Lebombo Mountains of South Africa. The species was first described in 1949 by the South African botanist Inez Verdorn. It is commonly known as the Lebombo cycad, although the name is also used for Encephalartos Senticosus, which also occurs in the same locality. Encephalartos Senticosus is a species of cycad in the family Zamiaceae native to the Lebombo Mountains of Mozambique, Eswatini, Swaziland, and the KwaZulu-Natal province of South Africa. Prior to its description in 1996, Encephalartos Senticosus had been confused with the closely related Encephalartos Encephalartos Lebomboensis. Both species are commonly known as the Lebombo cycad. Encephalartos Transvenosus is a palm-like cycad in the family Zamiaceae, with a localized distribution in Limpopo, South Africa. Its common names, Mojiji, Est cycad or Mojiji's palm, allude to the female dynasty of the Lobedu people, the Rain Queens, whose hereditary name is Mojiji. The species name Transvenosus refers to the fine network of veins between the main veins. Encephalartos Msinganus is a species of cycad from KwaZulu-Natal. Encephalartos Altensteini is a palm-like cycad in the family Zamiaceae. It is endemic to South Africa. The species name Altensteini commemorates Altenstein, a 19th-century German chancellor and patron of science. It is commonly known as the bread tree, broodboom, Eastern Cape giant cycad or Ajobane, Zulu. It is listed as vulnerable due to habitat destruction, use for traditional medicine and removal by collectors. Encephalartos Horridus, the Eastern Cape blue cycad, is a small, low-growing cycad up to 0.9 meters, 3.0 feet high and 0.9 meters, 3.0 feet wide. It is a native of Eastern Cape Province, South Africa, and found in arid shrublands, most commonly on ridges and slopes with shallow soils. The species is particularly known for its distinctly blue-gray leaves. Encephalartos Lehmanni is a low-growing palm-like cycad in the family Zamiaceae. It is commonly known as the Karoo cycad and is endemic to South Africa. The species name Lehmanni commemorates Professor J.G.C. Lehmann, a German botanist who studied the cycads and published a book on them in 1834. This cycad is listed as near threatened in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Encephalartos Latifrons is a species of cycad that is native to Eastern Cape Province in South Africa at elevations of 200 and 600 meters. The most expensive cycad, an Encephalartos Latifrons, takes about 15 years to seed and is nearly extinct in its native South Africa. Its value, $18,000. Encephalartos Woodii, wood cycad, is a rare cycad in the genus Encephalartos, and is endemic to the Ongoye forest of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. It is one of the rarest plants in the world, being extinct in the wild with all specimens being clones of the type. The specific and common name both honor John Medley Wood, curator of the Durban Botanic Garden and director of the Natal Government Herbarium of South Africa, who discovered the plant in 1895. Cycas revoluta, sotetsu, Japanese sotetsu. Sago palm, king sago, sago cycad, Japanese sago palm, is a species of gymnosperm in the family Cycadaceae, native to southern Japan including the Ryukyu Islands. It is one of several species used for the production of sago, as well as an ornamental plant. The sago cycad can be distinguished by a thick coat of fibers on its trunk. The sago cycad is sometimes mistakenly thought to be a palm, although the only similarity between the two is that they look similar and both produce seeds. The leaves grow from the trunk and start out as small leaves near the center of the plant. Cycas cercinolus, also known as the queen sago, is a species of cycad known in the wild only from southern India. Cycas cercinolus is the only gymnosperm species found among native Sri Lankan flora.